This is the wood that came for the sole plate. The sole plate sits directly on top of the steel there, and then the floor joists will go on top of that. I ordered C24, but you can see that they delivered C16. This is like a rating of the strength of it. C24 is the strongest, C16 is a bit weaker, but that doesn't really matter for the sole plate, but I've asked them to replace it because it's not very good quality. This bit's it's like a bark inclusion, I think, but it's just falling apart. So they're bringing replacement ones on Monday, tomorrow, so I should be able to get going with the floor after that.